Hey everybody, how you all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl Debbie from down a yard? Una pretty? Welcome you all my new subscribers. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. Welcome to my Jamaican kitchen. My whole subscribers that were there from the beginning. Mwah! Welcome, welcome. Yeah man. Now today, I had promised you to do a video on how you prepare red herring. Okay y'all? Now, this is the red herring. It's a cured, dried, cured, salted, cured, pickled, dried fish. A lot of people know it. I know some people don't. This is what it looks like. It is salty, real salty. Now, I am going to proceed. I have here one that I've picked for you already, but I left this one to show you just exactly the fastest, the best way. That is how I do it. Okay, y'all? So I'm going to get the head off. First and foremost, let me get my flame up. Let me get my flame on, medium flame, and get right in, let them see what I'm doing. I'm going to proceed to take the head off right here. Right here, get right in at the interval right here. So the head cannot be eaten. We never normally eat it. I've never seen anybody eat it. And this is what it looks like. I'm going to put it, it has a skin, a thin skin. So I'm going to put it onto the flame. When you put it onto the flame and it starts burning, it is a bit smelly. It has a, you know. So all you have your, whatever that range hood or something up there, it will go right up into it. Those who don't have one like myself, just put a large container of water on your kitchen table, on your cupboard, or wherever. And that should absorb all that little thing there. So we're going to burn it a little. And when you do it like this, it's easier to get the skin off. But be careful, y'all. Don't do like what I do. Put on your gloves or something what you have to protect your hands. Okay? That's it. It's finished. So we're going to come here. Be careful. You want to let it cool down. Do just that. And I'm going to take off the skin. Okay, y'all? See it here? You get it right off like this. I'm wondering if I don't burn it enough. Yes, I did. It has bones. So we are taking off the skin and we are going to try to take out most of the bones. Yes. We burn it. This is what the skin looks like. And there is a little, this is the meaty part. This is the part, the flesh part that we use. So, this is it. This is the part that we're trying to get off when we burn it. Okay, y'all? So, we have another piece here. When you burn it, you see how easy it comes off? Yes, and it's salty. So, I have my boiling water there ready. So, you got to put on some, whether electric kettle or whatever. But you need some hot water to get all this saltiness out. This looks like a little piece that can go in there. Now, it has a main bone inside here. So when you open it, this is another little piece that we can eat. And it has all these small bones, fine bones. So, we proceed to get out most of them. If not, it's sort of hard to get out all of them because you'll be here for hours or for the whole time picking them out. So as you eat, it's like fish. As you go along, you would want to search for those fine ones that we can't. Right? This is okay. It has a little, I'm not seeing that in these. I don't know what happened. It has a little sandy part. They call it the roe. I'm not seeing it in these that I bought recently. I don't know what happened. Now, this is the main bone. I want it right. This is good. That's the flesh. This is the main bone, y'all. Main bone. So we don't need that. And this is what is left. But if you're really looking into it for me, you realize that it has a lot of pickings, but it's a really nice pickled thing, and a lot, it's a Caribbean thing. A lot of Caribbean people love it. And this is what it is minced or mashed. This is what they use to make Solomon Gundy with lots of sugar, not sugar, pepper and stuff. This is what they use. Okay, y'all family? So this is what it looks like. 2 red herring, and this is what I got. Okay. Now we're gonna do a little cleaning up. We have to do a little cleaning up because it's a bit messy. And it's, it's sort of smelly. Like when I say smelly, not stink. It is like raw, so you have to clean up your work area, and it has that whole lot of salt coming off it. So we got to do all of this little thing, nothing much. Now that we have done all of this, we got to get some water, some boiling water. It's salty, so you got to pour a reasonable amount over it, okay? And you're gonna let it stay there a little time. Now, while that is going on there, you're gonna proceed to heat your frying pan. This is what it looks like before I got it into the ackee, right? I had picked it, deboned it, and scald it off, and that is what it looks like. Now that I've done all of that, I'm gonna show you how you can fix it up by itself as a nice little, like a little appetizer or anything like that. So we have that going on right there, and we're gonna get ourselves in a little oil. Use as much oil as you feel. We're gonna get ourselves a little oil. So we're killing some time. We're putting a little oil inside our pot here, not a lot, right? If you want more, feel free, because some people love a lot of oil. So we are proceeding now. All we use on it is Scotch bonnet and lots of onions. That's what I use. A little black pepper and a little vinegar. If you have white vinegar, you can go ahead, but I have apple cider, right? So you think it's like a little appetizer in some way, and it goes well with bread, it goes well with crackers, biscuits, tough biscuits and stuff like that. Not sweet ones, you know. And it goes well with like roasted breadfruit fry over all of them, because something. It goes well with the ackee, as you saw what I did on the video. So we have gotten that set of water off. So we're gonna throw off this first set of water, yeah, right off. This is because it's salty, you know. So you have to pour more than one time hot water. The second time should do the job. So we're gonna pour a little more right here, okay? And we're just gonna rinse, and we're gonna drain it. Okay, y'all? Now we have a pot over there, and I have drained it. So because I did have my pot with my oil, I'm gonna do a little damping to take out most of the oil, because I don't want too much of the frying up on camera. So we get it into our oil, and it's there. Let me get a spoon and we scrape it up. This is what it looks like. It's in the oil there by itself. It's not anything that you have to cook long enough, family, because it's a cured thing that is salted, and it's just like that. So you're gonna get it fry up now. You don't have to cover. You just go and put it like there. Get this in the way. Out. So we're having it. We want to get it a little bit crispy. So it's there. You don't have to cover the pot. Notch up your flame a bit. And we have the onions going on over here. So while that is happening there, we're going to slice our onions. Feel free to use as much onions as you want. The more onions, the merrier. Because some people like lots of onions. Right? So we're going to do some onion rings for it. And pepper. But if you're doing it for yourself, or if we're doing it for they can consume the heat, then you can. I'm not going to put my pepper with it. I'm just going to put the pepper sideways it, because who I'm doing it for, they cannot manage the heat. I can. So you all, if you're doing it for somebody or other people yourself, that can. So you rings up your onions. Get the rings out. We table clean as usual, so we take them out. So it's there and it's frying up. So I say lots of onion rings. Okay, y'all? That one is on the floor. So that one has to stay. So we have it over there and it's going on like that. Just a quick little thing, not hard at all. So you see it? And it smells so good. Family, it have this nice flavor. Let us put it on a higher flame to get the thing going on properly. Yes, so we have it. It's nice with fried dumpling by itself. And I showed you it with the ackee. And you can have it with roast breadfruit. And you can have it with crackers and all of that. So we're going to turn in our onion rings now and incorporate. But you don't want to get the onion rings all that saggy. So you're just going to incorporate. Lots of pepper, black pepper and Scotch bonnet. But as I told you, my family member cannot manage to eat. My family they can't manage to eat. So I'm doing it that they can get some, y'all. So I'm just gonna put the pepper to the side. But you, or if I was doing it for myself, I would incorporate the Scotch bonnet pepper. Lots of Scotch bonnet pepper. And we're gonna put a little black pepper, you all. Whoops, yeah. And we're gonna put a little drops of apple cider vinegar, not a lot, just to enhance the flavor because it's salty, like fish. And you know, fish and vinegar goes together well. So as you go along, if you see any little bones cracking up, because that's the nature of it, right? And family, that's it. Because you don't want your onions getting saggy. Because if the onions get saggy, you'll never enjoy it. The onions must be crunchy. And family, it's ready. It's ready, you all. It's ready. So, I'm going to proceed to just plate up this here for you all. Yeah? Plate it up. Remember, I told you I didn't incorporate my Scotch bonnet because my family members can't manage the Scotch bonnet. Okay, y'all? So what I'm just gonna do for you right now, I'm just gonna cap it off with a few slices of my Scotch bonnet. But as much as you can, the more pepper in this, the better it tastes. Okay, y'all? And there you have it. Just like that, family. It's as easy as that. Let me get these out the way. And let me clean the area for you to see what is happening, y'all. Nice little appetizer. Yes. And it's good with some Jamaican tough crackers. It's good with some cream crackers. It's good with hard-dough bread. And it's good with almost anything. And there you have it. Okay, family? Red herring from start to finish. It's not anything hard. And I'm going to taste for you all. So, right here, you have 2 pieces of your red herring. Wow. Crunchy onion ring. Red herring. Scotch bonnet. Wow. Pepper is rude, but I'm better than him because I like the pepper. Really nice. And you wash down this with a nice cold red stripe or a icy cold glass of Pepsi. There you have it, family. Just as easy as that. 1, 2, 3. Red herring. Nice little appetizer, nice little, finger food thing. From my kitchen to yours. Enjoy y'all. And remember to turn on your notification once you have subscribed to the channel. Share the videos with your friends, your family, your co-workers. And once more, from my kitchen to yours, it's red herring from start to finish. It is so short. Baby from down a yard. Try it, y'all. Boop.